Hi guys, welcome back to my little space on YouTube. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is going to be a really chatty one because I'm going to be showing you things that I got during this lockdown. This is happening because as the logistics services have resumed their operations, my packages started arriving one after the other. And then I put up an Instagram poll asking you guys if you'd want to see the haul or something like that, and most of you all voted yes, so here we are. So I'm going to be showing you stuff that I ordered, some of which I ordered before the lockdown started, so it has taken around 2 months to arrive, and some stuff that some Instagram store or a brand has sent me. So this is everything that arrived in the past 4 to 5 days, and we are going to unbox most of the packages together. Also, I'm not encouraging anyone to shop online at this time because I know it's not completely safe, but it's completely your choice. You can at least check the stuff out or do some online window shopping, I guess. So let's get right in. First thing that I want to unbox is my largest package. This one, which is from Shein, and they actually split my parcel into two. So this is something that I ordered myself. Everything comes in the Ziploc packaging, and I'm sorry if the packaging noise disturbs you. I know it's annoying, but I can't really help it. So the first thing that I got is this noodle strap top, and I have seen so many people wearing these noodle strapped crop tops from Shein. I really wanted something that's longer, and this is something that got recently added to their collection, so I thought of getting it. The other tops that I've seen are really cropped, like must be half of this one or 3/4 the size. So I'm really happy any longer. Oh my god, this looks huge. No way, this looks huge, so huge. I'm excited for this one. I don't think this fits me. This is a medium, and I got it because it was so pretty. You know that slightly expensive. If you shop from Shein, you would know there's a slightly expensive collection available. Like, it's, I think, an exclusive collection. So it's from that, and I was really hoping for this to be really good, but I'm not happy with the quality. This seems like say kach kach. However, the print looks really cool on the screen. If you can stay tuned if you want to know if I keep this or return. So this split my package into two, and the second part includes these set of 4 nails, one of which I'm wearing right now. I've said this on my Instagram that I don't really wear nails this dark. Had this been any longer, it would really give me Cardi B or Vamp sort of vibes, and I could like pose in my hat like that. I'm a really big fan of press-on nails, and these were quite cheap, so I thought why not try them. Then we have an oversized tee. So I finally put into my cart from my wish list, and it says offline power. I love the text right here and have nothing in this color, so I thought of getting this color. I'm not opening this right now, but these have 2 necklaces in here, and I'm only going to open it when I wear it because these oxidize really quickly, and I don't want that to happen. But for the price it comes with, I think the number of wears it lasts is good enough. So this is something that has been sent to me by an Instagram store called Adore by Anisha, and all the products are sanitized before the dispatch, so nothing to worry about and all the good things. So I'm going to show you the dress. Oh, I really like it. So flowy, so summery. It goes like that. So yeah, the next one is this furry black dress. I think I know everything because I approve the dresses. It's a simple furry dress. So next up we have a plain basic t-shirt from Levi's with their logo on it. Moving on to the next one, it's from Blood Cosmetics. It says you've been expecting me beautiful on the packaging, which is cute. Everyone loves some cute packaging, right? As reminder, I'm baddie in my own skin and kick ass in red lipstick too. As you heard, it's a red lipstick which reads put me on your lips, not on your lying X on the packaging as well as on the lipstick. And not happy, the product has been tampered. You can see the top part. This is a black eyeliner which says I give up on cat eyes. So now there's a brand called Beauty Talk which sent me their products. Looks cute, right? These are press-on nails again. You know how much I use press on nails by now, I think. Next few things are things that I got from Nykaa because I wanted them. And yeah, this is Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 122 Sand. And then we have Nykaa Lipstone so the shade that's on, so the color that's on the packaging is the exact same shade that's inside. The swatch is right here, it's a really tiny one. And next is this electric blue eyeliner that my sister accidentally ordered because she thought it was a midnight blue shade and it would be really cool to wear it. But she gave it to me thinking कि मैं कुछ experimental कर लूँगी इससे. And yep, it's really cute. It's from an Instagram store called Hello Miniverse. She is an amazing miniature artist. I'm sure by now you've seen my picture in these little lace earrings. And then we have French fry earrings again, so adorable. And I'm losing my patience. This is again from an Instagram store called Jewelry by Khan's. You know those floral cute jewelry that brides wear on their mehendi. So this was supposed to be, so there was a shoot planned before the lockdown, and which is why she sent me this as a part of collaboration, but I don't know when we are going to use this now. So yeah, I am going to show you how it looks. So the design is customized. They also sent me a picture after making it. So yep, this is the neck piece and it has this ring with a bracelet. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, I want to shoot in this. But yeah, I got myself metal straws. I drink a lot of nariyal pani and fluids, if you say. And good thing is it also comes with a straw cleaner, and that's about it. So the next thing I got is another jacquard print skirt. It's a skirt, yeah. I don't think this size will fit me again. It's way too large for me. If you plan to get anything in this jacquard pattern for yourself, remember to size down. Yeah, that was it for this video. It was my first time doing a haul kind of a thing, and I also poked my finger here. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked what you saw. Just give this video a like, share it with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.